The 2002 Honda Accord. Ingeniously simple, yet overflowing with luxury and technological creativity, all that and more in the Accord. This vehicle has less than 125,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: CD changer, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, floor mats, universal garage door opener, AM/FM stereo radio, front-wheel drive, climate control, rear defrost, bucket seats, CD player. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.